TK Group started its journey in 1972 with the dream to be a part of building the nation by industrialization. TK Group is the most diversified business house in Bangladesh and is now one of the major business conglomerates in Bangladesh. It comprises over 42 independent operating companies involved in the business of edible oils and fat, cement, steel, basic chemicals, petroleum and petrochemical, textile, consumer products, shrimp hatchery, shipbuilding, leather and commodity trading. These companies collectively employ over 10,000 people, and its contribution to the national exchequer was Taka 48 billion during the last 5 years. Super Petrochemical Private Limited, an associate company of TK Group, is presently the largest petroleum and petrochemical production facility of Bangladesh in private sector. It is the first of its kind in Bangladesh, which is established for producing import-substitute petroleum and petrochemical products by using the locally available naphtha and condensate. In the national economic value chain, SPPL's value addition during the production process is more than 98% because it is using 100% local raw materials and it has employed 100% local people. In the financial year 2015-2016, SPPL's contribution to the national exchequer is around Taka 1.5 billion. SPPL's contribution to GDP is around Taka 6 billion. It has been awarded as the highest VAT payer in the year 2016. SPPL is widely acclaimed in the government energy and revenue sector for maintaining high business ethics and contribution to national economy. It was awarded as the best customer by Bangladesh Ministry of Energy. The SPPL plant is located at Dangarchar, Kornfuli in Chittagong on 28 acres of land. It is using naphtha and natural gas condensate as raw material. Naphtha is being locally produced by Eastern Refinery Limited. Earlier, Eastern Refinery exported 100% naphtha as the normal business operation. SPPL has taken this opportunity to use this locally available material for the production of different petrochemical and petroleum products with an aim to supply import substitute products in the local market. On the other hand, natural gas condensate (NGC) is also being used for the production of diesel and heavy naphtha. It is a matter of pride for SPPL that it has supplied more than 65% of the national octane demand in the financial year 2016-2017. According to PricewaterhouseCoopers, Bangladesh has the potential to become the world's 23rd largest economy by 2050. Bangladesh will be among the top 3 fastest growing economies in the world by 2030. The plastic industry can play a vital role in the economic development of Bangladesh and growth of various key sectors in the country, such as automotive, construction, electronics, healthcare, textiles, and FMCG. Its demand has been growing rapidly at 10% per annum to reach 1.3 million tons within 5 years and 2.1 million tons per annum within the next 10 years. Presently, Bangladesh does not have any olefin-based petrochemical industry and the whole demand has been met through imports. The country's positive economic outlook, current low levels of per capita plastic consumption of 4.7 kilograms, along with increased growth in end-user industry, has driven SPPL to extend its facilities for the production of olefin-based petrochemical products. The scenario has led us to establish a petrochemical and LPG terminal at Moheshkhali Economic Zone 3 in Dolghat, Moheshkhali. Around 300 acres of land has been allotted by the Bangladesh Economic Zone Authority for this plant. 70% of olefin-based products demand, naphtha will be used as main feedstock and will produce polythene, polypropylene, PVC, polyester, and SB rubber. This complex will contribute to GDP to the tune of USD 665 million and the national exchequer to around USD 268 million. This unit will also employ over 1,000 people. Bangladesh is experiencing a sharp rise in LPG demand in the last 5 years, with an annual growth of 44% and 60% in the last 3 years. The rapid growth of demand is contributed by the depletion of natural gases, the government's initiative to convert 70% of the household connection and CNG vehicles to LPG by 2025, the increase in domestic price of gas and firewood, and the low LPG penetration across the country. SPPL's vision to set up LPG terminal to serve the national bottlers is very much in line with the government of Bangladesh's vision. The terminal will improve the efficiency of LPG supply chain through adding the economy of scale in logistics, higher LPG storage facility in Bangladesh, allowing local bottlers to move large volume of LPG in revarying route. The project is expected to contribute USD 60 million to the GDP and USD 10 million to the national exchequer while employing 150 people. This shall empower local businesses to set up regional storage and bottling facilities. Under the able leadership of the current government and the enterprising spirit of our people, Bangladesh will surely prosper on the global stage. Such projects shall therefore inspire many in coming days and will pave the way to realize our Sonar Bangla.